Hey, Southern California, good Tuesday evening. I hope you had a great day today. It was hot out there. We are well on our way into being towards the middle of the work week, which means eventually we'll be at the end of the work week and Friday will come soon enough. But boy, in the meantime, what a gorgeous sunset we have ongoing outside right now. There's a live look from Black Mountain. You can see a couple different layers of clouds, right? We have the high level cloud cover, which has been filtering in throughout the day today. Also on the left-hand side of your screen, you can see the marine layer, which is trying to creep in as well tonight. 74 degrees at Black's Mountain. You have humidity at 82%. Dew point right now is sitting in the upper 60s. Both those numbers, the humidity and the dew point, are going to climb here as we go into the next couple of days. More moisture is on the way. Already starting to see some signs of that moisture return by looking at our satellite picture and just being outside today and seeing some of those high wispy clouds moving through. Monsoonal moisture is going to be the big story here going into the long term. Meantime, like I said, it was hot today. It's warm tonight still, especially out in Imperial County. Boy, 111 in Brawley, 110 as we approach the 8 o'clock hour in El Centro, 106 in Ocotillo. The mountains are still firmly in the 80s. It is 83 in Julian, 84 right now in Pine Valley. Our coastal communities are much cooler, 72 in Carlsbad, 74 in San Diego. And I don't think temperatures are going to be moving a whole lot during the overnights there, but the humidity is going to make it feel quite a bit muggier as soon as tomorrow. And we also have an extreme heat warning out in Imperial County, where I just showed you, of course, we have those temperatures that are still, even as the sun is setting, in the triple digits. Let's spell it out for you. Here's the weather headlines over the next couple of days. Tonight, there is a possibility of some patchy fog. You just saw the marine layer from our live look. That marine layer is pretty shallow. It's close to the ground. Anytime that happens, some fog can form. You'll see it in a second on Futurecast. Humidity, as I mentioned, also on the way up. That kicks off our monsoonal flow. However, when we get into these setups like this, where we know we're going to have monsoonal moisture around, it's kind of a day-to-day type setup, forecasting where and how strong the thunderstorms we're expecting to see are going to be, really. I have my eyes on a couple of days here that I want to turn your attention to. But first, the bigger picture. High pressure continues to strengthen. It's expanding. It's going to get stronger as we head into Wednesday. So here's tomorrow. The other thing is, with high pressure directly overhead, that's going to kind of create a lid, if you will, for any thunderstorms to develop, at least on Wednesday afternoon. We may try to squeeze out a shower or two, but it's not until Thursday our flow turns out of the east and the southeast. We see some thunderstorms popping over the mountain. Notice how that general weather pattern continues, not just Thursday, but Friday, Saturday, and really into the weekend, Sunday as well. So it is going to be kind of a long period of unsettled days ahead here. Overnight tonight, look for low temperatures in the upper 60s to right around 70 degrees along the coastline. That'll be just around sunrise. 68 in Carlsbad for a low tonight. 69 downtown San Diego. In the valleys, we're going to be in the upper 60s. 70 in Julian. 89 still overnight tonight in Ocotillo. 87 in El Centro. Here's some of that patchy fog that I was talking about. We're picking it up here on our visibility futurecast. Look at the time stamp. As we go into early tomorrow morning, I'm talking about around sunrise or so. So here's 6 a.m. Some of us are just getting up, getting ready for work. Visibility along the 5 and possibly a few miles inland could drop to a tenth to a quarter of a mile. So that can really reduce some of the driving conditions. That's probably the biggest thing I want you to be aware of. And then once that fog burns off, we're off to the races with some sunshine tomorrow. And that should happen pretty quickly. I think once we get past around 7:30 or so tomorrow morning, any remaining fog and really marine layer for that matter kind of fades away. Here's Futurecast getting you into the rest of our Wednesday afternoon. Notice I said we could see a few little cumulus clouds trying to pop up towards the mountains. Again, it remains to be seen if we can squeeze out any showers. I don't think so. It's not in my forecast. Otherwise hot, mid-90s along the I-15 corridor, low 80s possibly for the coastline, 112 to 115 across Imperial County. Thursday is the first day that we get a substantial wave of monsoonal moisture in our area. So watch how the day plays out. It's kind of interesting. Here's around 1:30 in the afternoon or so. Scattered showers and thunderstorms start developing here across the mountains, perhaps into Imperial County. Starting to see some guidance. Some of those rain showers could try to drift into our valleys as well. Now, of course, this is just one computer model. There's a whole bunch of different solutions as to how this is going to play out. So it's going to be a watch, wait, and see type scenario. But I do think there's higher confidence in rain chances on Thursday. Again, here's about 5:30. Some of those light showers trying to spread to the coastline. Friday, it does look like most of our showers and thunderstorms will be confined over our mountain communities. So think Julian, Pine Valley, and maybe out to the deserts and parts of Imperial County as well. Drying out Friday night. Saturday should be a mainly dry day for us. We'll see. Again, it's day to day, but I think we'll be between monsoonal waves on Saturday with another one pushing in for us by Sunday. Our extended forecast for the coast areas, as we put it together for you, shows that 20% chance of showers on Thursday, right? Maybe a rumble of thunder all the way to the coastline. 79 on Friday, 79 Saturday. Again, the further into the week we go, the muggier it's going to get, so it'll feel humid. Another monsoonal wave on Sunday could bring more showers and a thunderstorm to the coastline. Monday, we should be a little bit more dry, so calling it a partly cloudy day. Temperature is going to be in the upper 70s. In the valleys, boy, look at this. You go a few miles away from the coast, and we're talking about some big time heat. 93 for Wednesday. We'll see if some of those showers and storms can cool us off by Thursday. Otherwise, it's another day in the 90s. Low 90s stick around on Friday and Saturday. Another chance of showers or storms on Sunday. Monday, we're at 90, and then Tuesday, we finally start to see a slight dip in temperatures and perhaps a pattern change as well. Obviously, the most unsettled spot here across both San Diego and Imperial County over the next 7 days is going to be in the mountains. So daily shower and thunderstorm chances starting on Thursday, going all the way through early next week. Any of the showers and storms that we see over the mountains do have the potential to become strong, possibly severe, like we saw last week. Frequent lightning, heavy rain, gusty winds, small hail, and maybe a flooding threat, all of concern. So, of course, I'll be monitoring it for you. In the deserts and through Imperial County, remember, extreme heat warning through Friday. Chance of showers and thunderstorms on Thursday afternoon, then again on Sunday. And it looks like as that ridge of high pressure shifts towards the east, by Monday and Tuesday, temperatures come down a bit, but parts of Imperial County may get into a little bit better of a monsoonal flow, so their shower and storm chances stick around a bit longer Monday into Tuesday there with a 20% chance of rain. Have a great rest of your evening. We'll talk to you soon.